the lyrical thrust of T-Wayne. Game ain't nothing but a cheap thing, turn into a free thing like Soul Train. Ladies, shake your butts, players, throw it up. Haters, give it up for the last dime click. And we ain't stopping shit till the last rhyme hit. In the past I get so fucked up. Now that I got more chips, y'all know what's up. Pass the cup, fill it to the rim with Remy. Lay back in the club, blowing trees with it.
Pass blunts like Steve Young, Lee Young, G-Slum. Wanna be B1, quit jocking me, son. You play like reruns, so what's the reason for the mean mug, man, when it's max season? I leaves a me one, maybe two. What's up with your homegirl, baby, or maybe you? Baby boo wanna fuck, she stuck like crazy glue. Navy blue Mercedes, ladies who playing who? We probably meet again, but until the day we do, I rip shit with the LD trick saying true.
This wasn't the video I was supposed to make. I wanted to talk to you guys about line quality and give you some tips on drawing. Yeah, that was going to be pretty cool. But then I woke up this morning to some news I was praying not to get. My good friend Henry Thomas had passed away. It's tough to lose anyone, but this felt especially difficult. I met Henry Thomas when I was in 10th grade. He was a freshman, but he was already operating at an unattainable level of cool. Look, in high school, I was such an uncool guy that it was hopeless for me from the start. But Henry was on a level even the cool kids couldn't attain. And it just grew from there. Our friendship developed out of a mutual love for art, comics, cartoons, and music, especially hip-hop. The song at the beginning of the video, that's him and his brother from another mother, Tabari. The group was called the Heavyweights. That was the thing about Henry. Everything he did with charisma. Rapping, friendships, everything. I'm looking on my Facebook timeline, and all I see are stories of how Big Hen held us down. He made sure we were all good. He spread wisdom and love the STL way. Take that, Brooklyn. Even on my journey, Hen would just call out of the blue and ask questions about creating art and the best supplies to get, and then make sure he encouraged me to keep pushing and that he was proud of me. I can't tell you how much that means to a brother now. Henry was the type of brother we aspired to be. He wasn't perfect, no one is, but you knew every day his goal was to be a better person than he was yesterday. I think it's safe to say he was pretty successful at that in his lifetime. I'm going to miss him. I'm going to miss talking to him. I'm going to miss his wisdom. But another good friend of mine told me not to think about losing or the loss, but to think about the good times. And we had those. Hold on to those memories and to push forward. And then I always think about DMX. And whenever I put on the Heavyweighters, I already know Big Hen is never gone. He's right here. Rest in peace, bro. Love you.